Hello world and welcome to the next video. Now, as you know, RBG has passed away. Condolences to her and her legacy, and all due respect. There is a intense battle over her replacement going on in the Senate. Now, the main story is this. In 2016, there was a Supreme Court vacancy. Early in the year, Mitch McConnell decided he would hold the court at -1 for an entire year, basically, until the next election, in which Donald Trump won. That was essentially supposed to be Obama's pick for the Supreme Court. Now, they refused to have a hearing or vote or anything on Obama's nominee. Mitch said he did this because the Republicans had control of the Senate, so they didn't want to appoint anyone to the court. So in general, from a political standpoint, this is a trick that you can do to get justices for your team. However, I believe it goes against the basic idea of the court, because the court is not supposed to be a partisan tool. So to purposely hold it at -1 justices from the total for an entire year, waiting for the next presidential election, to do it that way, instead of pressuring the president from your opposite party to give you a more moderate justice, it just seems like antithetical to the basic premises of tradition. So, in summary, in 2016, Republicans said, let's wait till next year. Democrats said, approve our justice. Now they've flipped in 2020. Republicans say, we're going to approve our justice. Democrats say, wait till next year. And this case is slightly different because we are much, much closer to a presidential election. And these justices, as we know, are appointed for life. And this would be a third justice claimed by President Trump, a president that actually didn't even win his popular vote. So, as far as a popularity contest goes, he is not really well liked, even in his victory election. There have been talks that Democrats would, to right this injustice that they have called, that they would pack the court later, because it's pretty clear that most likely the Republicans are going to get their nominee through and appointed. They're going to get her appointed before the change in power. I'm not sure what I think about packing the court, but in my experience, Democrats are not that strong when it comes to standing up for these sorts of things. I feel like they will cave at some point and not do it because they're going to say, tradition says the court stays at this number and we won't change it. Now, there are no rules about size of the court. It has fluctuated through the years. You can go through American history and see that. So what are your thoughts on this? Does this hypocrisy make sense? Is it fair that Mitch politically held the court at -1 for an entire year to get his justice for the Republican Party after Trump was elected? Was that too far? Will Democrats be able to fight back? Will they pack the court? And should any of this happen? So please let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.